the national impetus is having some negative consequences for free inquiry on campus. Our work and the work of other people who have discovered their voices and have a commitment to Enlightenment values, I think, is also having an impact on campus. I'm Steven Brint. I'm a distinguished professor of sociology and public policy at UC Riverside. I've been skeptical about the climate for discourse on campus for quite a while, actually going back to the 1990s. There were some events that occurred in 2020 that really made me concerned. Those events had to do with students refusing to come to class because they were marching, the deans telling me that I should march with the students rather than asking them to turn in their papers. I had been aware of HXA for some time, especially at the University of California. We had some real issues about climate for conformism. Lots of people felt constrained about what they could say without being ostracized. Well, I've been tracking public opinion about universities really for quite a long time. Over the last decade, it's plummeted. The confidence in higher ed, it's down 20% in just 10 years. So American confidence in higher ed is about 36%. And the big issues are cost, perceptions of political bias, and to some extent also the alignment of the curriculum with what employers want from college graduates. So my view is that universities are not telling their story well. That's part of it. And the other part of it is addressing the public's concerns, which are legitimate. And I think we've seen a tremendous bloat in administration, which is raising the costs of universities. We could look into the regulatory burden that universities have, which is now 10 to 15% of their total operating budget. The climate has changed to some degree, but on the other hand, what's happening in national politics is in other quarters of the campus confirming their view that American society is racist and sexist. And so I just say it's a mixed situation on our particular campus at this moment, but I'm encouraged. I'm an optimist, and I see, I see some positive changes. I think we have a big task ahead of us, and in some ways I'm very happy that we're getting pressure from the public to address these issues that have festered for such a long time, and we can emerge stronger than we have been if we do address them.